For sale, 1968 Pontiac Firebird. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 1968 Pontiac Firebird. It's finished in its factory correct color of autumn bronze with white interior and the white vinyl top. 350 4-barrel automatic with power steering and power brake. It's about 98,000 original miles, all original body panels, all original floors. And as always, walk around and point out what I see, tell you what I know about it, and we'll drive it. So here we go. Starting here in the front. Bumper is in pretty nice condition. I mean, you see a little bit of faint marking on it and whatnot. There's a little chip that's been touched up on the nose. However, the fitment of the hood is pretty nice. So it lines up nicely. Let's go back over here. Yep. Does have a 350 in it. You know what? I might as well open it up after I figure out where the hell it is again. Give me a second. Hi. All right. Anyway, 350 4-barrel. It's not the original 350, and it's not the original transmission. So 350 turbo 350. I have the original engine complete with the original 2-barrel carburetor on a stand with the original transmission. That's included with the car. Power steering and power brakes there. Nice clean engine bay. See the original trim tag in place there. It's a 1 repaint, so this probably is original paint in here. I know they do that sometimes. Very smooth running. Drives very nice. Fires right up every time. So we'll keep going here. It has an electric fan on it as well, in addition to the fan that's attached to the motor. The rally wheels on there. I know there's a little touch-up right there and a little indent right there. But there's really not too many flaws on the car for being a 1 repaint, just a couple miscellaneous ones here. And actually, there's a little chip right there. And actually, as you'll see, it's pretty nice. How you doing?
Okay, how about you?
I'm doing okay. They have the mud flaps on here, and they probably did that because something splattered, like a white, and I don't want to go after that, so I'm just letting it go. It'll probably, it could be wet sanded out or buffed off or something like that. Trim is nice though. Trim here is nice around the window. The dash pad, and you'll see the interior of the dash and the console, very, very nice condition. White vinyl top, which is probably original, and as far as I see, normally you would see bubbling on the top. I don't see any bubbling on it, which is again, very nice. The only thing with the top is it looks like they sealed it, and there's just a little discoloration in certain spots on that seal there. But if you look here, you don't see it. So you got the trim there, keeping chips off, and we'll pop the door open and go on in. Other than that small crack in the middle of the door panel super nice here. Seat, carpet, console. Show you the back seat. It's got front and rear seat belts. Headliner. Very nice condition there. And we'll hop in and we'll sit down. The dash is gorgeous. I just want to get that out there. It's very, very nice condition. Again, we had one that was 30-some thousand or 25,000 miles, and to see the dash this nice for what's supposed to be 98,000 miles, odometer works, I drove it home, is impressive. A couple added gauges down there because they always help. The gas gauge works. All the gauges work, actually. The gas gauge does have a full tank of gas in it. Console, very nice condition as well. And again, no cracks on the dash pad. It hasn't been dyed. It looks that nice. So we'll keep going here. I know some cars, they do it on that lower quarter of the car. Like here, there's that like roughness, like a rust prevention kind of an idea. Keep going though. It's got rear coilover shocks and new exhaust. It was owned by the previous owner for 18 years. And to see this car with all of its sheet metal intact, quarters, fenders, whatnot, is very nice to see. I see a couple little touch-ups right there. And that white stuff splattered up there again, down there. Rear bumper, pretty much about the same as the front. You'll probably see a little marking in certain spots, but it looks pretty good overall. Trunk fitment is nice. I mean, you can't go wrong with these small trunk lids. I see a little touch-up down there. Let me grab the key. The trunk pan is also original and not patched or repaired. It comes with a spare, the jack, tire iron, and a little bit of paperwork, the original trunk mat. So I'll flash you the quarters there. I think I had some stuff made up. Copy of the window sticker, another thing made up. More copies of the window sticker. Here's the actual window sticker. Sold new at Jim Costley Pontiac in Michigan. And all these options, $37.57. And then this looks like a body shop inspection, maybe before or after. You see some faint writing on the sides. And then just a couple of books here that I have to go along with it. There will be a closer picture of the window sticker on the ad. So let me show you the trunk pan. Now, if I can get it out. I mean, it was nicely done. It looked like some water got in and kind of surface rusted, but this is like jump up and down and it's solid. Have a party with your family. Same goes for the other side. Let me show you the pan itself. Really nice to see how solid this pan is. Weather stripping around is in nice condition, as well as a door jamb. You see or trunk jamb. You see a stamping there, another stamping there. Nice under hood. It looks like a little marking there of some sort. Keep going down. Again, a little bit of that white stuff, and I see just maybe a couple little hairline cracks in the paint. See a little repair to the door panel. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 68 Pontiac Firebird. Autumn bronze with a white interior and white vinyl top. Believed to be 98,000 miles and pretty believable. 350 4-barrel, power steering, power brakes, turbo 350 automatic, all original body panels. There's a little touch up on this lip there, and all original floors and trunk pan and quarters and fenders and whatnot. Also, it has nice fitment throughout because all that sheet metal is original, so they line up perfectly. No Chinese stuff that doesn't match. So we'll fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you.